Saraswati Vidya Niketan School, on behalf of CP Campaign, welcome you all. It's a momentous day for all of us, since a galaxy of intellectuals, they have gathered here and we'll have an opportunity to listen all of them. But before we start, let me call the one responsible, or we can say the one who made it possible for us to come over here and to express our ideas. Let us put our hands together for Mr. Prabhakar Singh. Yes, I think he deserves a big applause because I have been in touch with him for the past 1.5 years and I have seen him working tirelessly for this mission, for this campaign.
In this great conference, and I would like to give my thanks to all of you that you have joined this initiative. We have a long way to go, and this is first time ever in the history of India that in underdeveloped city, Vice Chancellor, professors and principals from all the states of India will participate. There are 10 to 15 delegates will come today. They are on the airport, they are waiting. Some Vice Chancellors as well as professors. And tomorrow also some of them will come. So, whole India, from each state of India, there are people are getting connected. I really appreciate it. And the great thing is that most probably we are doing the conference and we are conducting the conference in metropolitan cities, and people from underdeveloped cities are not being able to even get the things in good way. So this is a new kind of thing what I wanted to start for the sake of the betterment of the country, because more than 85% population of India comes from the underdeveloped city. So it would be important that we have to focus on that. And when we say that we want to develop the country, we would like to develop the nations as per the international level also. So there are a lot of things are required to do. And my agenda of this conference is that I want to make a national team, a team which has intellectuals from all around the country, from all states of India, and all those people who think good and who are dedicated for their jobs, for the nations. I want them to come on one platform. Most probably it is happening that every one of us working to our directions, we have our limitations. So this program, my vision is that I want that the whole India, all those people who have the good vision and want to do something good for the sake of the betterment of the country, we have to unite. When good people are getting united together, we will be able to do great for the nation, because individuals, it's very hard. There are so many of us would like to do, and we have been doing a lot of things for the sake of the betterment of the our education, as well as wherever we are trying our best that we can give something so that the problems or the future problem gets solved. But the fact is that separately we are making the approach, and as you know that the majority of people are not going on the right direction. So that there are a lot of struggles we have to face, and what all the good ideas we are having that is not getting accepted easily. So I want that when all are united, we will be able to do, and our voice get delivered to the people. So I'm not wasting much time. I would like to say that all of you come here in the Jaunpur city. Jaunpur is a historical city. It has a great history, and I am privileged that all of you are here, and you just make this land great today. That from all around the India, from each part of India, you are coming here, you are giving your time. After doing that, it's an underdeveloped city, the program is in underdeveloped city. Your work is very, very appreciable, and I really want to thanks to all of you, to the bottom of my heart, that you join me here in this conference and give us strength. You have given the strength to a common boy from a small city, that if we want to do something from any city, any part of the India, we are having the good vision. The people like you, the great people like you come together on one platform for make this country a great country. Thank you, and I want to say once again thank you to all of you that you have joined us, and so many other delegates will come at afternoon. So we will sit together after the program, and I am very eager to listen to your ideas, to watch you, to learn by you, and I want to even come up with the ideas, with the things whatever you are showing over here. And there are 2 things more I want to include over here. On our this program, all top institutions of India has extended their well wishes, like the chairman of UGC, Dr. D.P. Singh, he extended his well wishes. President of India, Ramnath Kovind ji, he extended his best wishes, and CBSE chairman, she extended her best wishes. And IIT Director Viram Gopal Rao ji will join us at 4 today. And this is all about my efforts. What I am trying to do is that I want to include all the people. More than 105 people are getting included. Some of their flights are getting cancelled, very unfortunate. And there are some unexpected things are happening, but they are trying to join us via Skype, all those vice chancellors who are unable to come. And they are committed to meet the team for the sake of the betterment of the country. And I want to say, it is my request to all of you, please listen to each other. And what all the ideas are coming, this program is for all of us. And that's what, when someone asked me that who is the chief guest, I said all of you are the chief guest, because every one of you having the great ideas and you are all a great dignity. So I want to tell, this is a kind of conference where we would like to learn by each other from every state. The people are coming from every corner of India. We would like to learn, we would like to understand, as well as we would like to prepare ourselves for the future India. The topics what we are going to discuss today, the idea which is elaborating over here, somehow they show the image of future. And I appreciate it. I welcome you all.